In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote on Reddit. Quoting on Reddit is really useful when you want to respond to something specific that another user has said, or when you want to highlight a particular line of text for clarity. It makes your posts easier to read and helps other people quickly understand what part of a conversation you're referring to. First, you'll need to start by creating a post or a comment where you want the quote to appear. If you're on the main Reddit page or inside a specific community, look for the button or link that says Create Post. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the post editor, which is the box where you'll type your title and your main text. Inside this text box, you'll see a row of formatting icons at the top. These icons help you style your text, and one of them is the quote icon. It usually looks like a quotation mark symbol. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the icons if you're not sure which one it is. The one you want will typically show a label like quote when you hover over it. Now, before clicking the quote icon, type or paste the text that you want to quote into the box. Once that text is in place, use your mouse to highlight the part that you want to turn into a quote. With that section highlighted, click on the quote icon inside the box. Reddit will automatically format that highlighted text as a quote for you. You'll see the visual change right away, often with a vertical line on the left side, showing that it's now quoted text. If you want to add your own thoughts or response, simply press enter after the quoted section and continue typing your message below it. This keeps your quote and your reply clearly separated, which makes the conversation much easier to follow. If the quote doesn't look quite right, you can highlight it again and click the quote icon to toggle the formatting off, then reapply it. Take your time to make sure everything looks the way you want before you post. When you're happy with your quote and your text, finish filling out your title. If you're creating a post, double check your content, and then click the button to publish. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully quoted on Reddit, making your contribution clearer and more readable for everyone.